Hello, I'm Roger here at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. Showcasing a 2021 Metris Weekend Getaway van. You can see I already have the pop top up and displayed. Beautiful pebble gray Metris van and upfitted by Getaway. Has the fog lights here in the front, which is nice, especially if you're traveling at night or in foggy weather. We're going to come around here to the side and you can see this one has the Mercedes-Benz aluminum wheels. Just a very good accent on the van. So the Metris Getaway too, it has all the features that you can get from Mercedes-Benz. It has the heated electric mirrors, comfort seats, heated seats. These front seats do swivel. I'm going to display the passenger side. And the driver's side swivels as well. We're just going to make sure the seat's far enough ahead to go past the B pillar. And that spins right around. And there is a nice table that goes here. I'm going to pull the table out too here in a couple of minutes and show that to you. But I wanted to do this part of the walk around first. And then this van does travel, it travels 5 people. 3 people can travel right here in the bench seat in the back, and then you have the driver and passenger. Also, this lower half, this van sleeps 4 people. So I'm going to display the this lower bed. So you just pull up on the front of the seat, it releases it, so you can fold it down. And then this portion right here, you have a lever right here. You just pull up on this lever, you fold that right down. And then I'm going to walk around to the back of the van. And then we have this portion, we fold this down, and boom, in less than 30 seconds, you have a bed that sleeps 2 people back here. Looks like it's very comfortable. I've never camped out in one of these, but it looks like it will sleep 2 people very comfortably. And then up top, I have the pop top already raised. So up here in the top, it sleeps 2 people too, and I'm going to pull that down. You have a nice strap right here. It pulls down very easily. So this bed's the same size as the bed down below. Sleeps 2 people up here comfortably. What a great feature for people that want to go and do some camping. It's a very comfortable van for sure. So the next thing I want to do, folks, I want to show you how the awning works, because this van does come with an awning. So we've got our spot right here. So you just start winding it out. So you only want to bring it out about halfway. Okay. And then underneath here we have our legs. So I'm just going to do one side at a time. You have a little knob here for an adjustment. We'll pull out the other side. It's a very simple process. Then you can just, you can adjust it where you want. So the awning does come out a couple more feet than this. And we can also raise it up much higher. You just have this little adjustment right here. You just loosen that up and you can push it up. So as you can see, it's very simple. It just takes a couple of minutes to get the awning up in place. And as I said, it does come out a little bit further than this. I wanted to display opening it because it's very simple to open up. And then also we'll come around here to the back of the van. So this portion right here is part of your bed. You push that back up and you have your table is stored right here. So I'm gonna take the table out. Pull the table out. I usually set it down just like this. And then you just, you pop this up. And you have these braces right here. So there's a spot right here where you attach those braces so it makes it nice and sturdy. Clip those into place. There's a little slide right here too. So you can latch that into place so your table's nice and sturdy. And then we'll bring that right around and we'll set that right under the awning. You can also use this table inside the van where those front seats swivel. You have seating for 3 people in the back. You could sit inside out of the rain. You could play cards. You could have lunch in there. Very, very user-friendly. And then also, this is a really nice design right here. So what they've done, they've added these drawers. And you pull this out. Then you pull this one out, and it comes with a grill, a small gas grill. You could set the gas grill up on here. You could cook back here. Nice place for storage for your grill. And then also on this side, we have another storage compartment here. So you could put a few dishes or whatever you'd like in there. And it also has a silverware drawer right here that you could put your cooking utensils or your silverware in. Just a really nice feature. And this does have latches right here. You just got to kind of release those because you don't want your drawers flying around on you. Then you can just clean your grill, restore it. And it's right back in place. Very, very user-friendly. Also, this Metris Getaway comes with a trailer hitch. You can actually tow a 5,000-pound trailer behind the Metris. It's very convenient for those people that want to take more than, want to camp out more than just a couple or 4 people. This Metris also has the electric sliding doors on both sides. There's a switch right here where you can close up the door. So as you can see, folks, it only takes, just a few minutes and you can have the whole Metris Getaway set up for camping for a weekend. Van has heated seats. It's got the comfort seat package, cruise control, heated electric mirrors. Just a beautiful setup. So if there's anyone out there that's, interested in a Metris Getaway weekender, my name is Roger. Please feel free to give me a call. You can reach me at 207-838-0169. Thank you very much.